The Anabaptist Learning Workshop is a program of Mennonite Church Eastern Canada in cooperation with Conrad Grebel University College. Our mission is to facilitate learning about Anabaptist Christian faith and its connections to life in the 21st century. We do this by organizing workshops and conferences, by bringing people together, and by paying attention to the Holy Spirit.
It's a way of building bridges, building relationships, reminding each other that we are not alone, creating community, as well as learning together about what it means to be the church in a changing world.
The Anabaptist Learning Workshop welcomes a diversity of participants, including lay people and pastors, people from a variety of cultural backgrounds, older and younger, those with strong beliefs and those who are searching.
I came to Anabaptist Learning Workshop to gain more knowledge about my faith and other Christian tradition. I also like to share my faith with others to support and contribute to other communities. I believe it's very useful for the congregation to learn the Anabaptist tradition and what other community of faith believe and how they live and their experience. There is no just one teacher. Everybody can teach and everybody can learn. Everybody can tell story.
Since the Anabaptist Learning Workshop uses a participatory learning model, the diverse experiences of the participants leads to important and memorable learning. Instructors bring expertise, creativity, and a readiness to be learners themselves.
Well, I was really intrigued by the idea of having practitioners teach some of these workshops. I also like the idea of facilitating rather than teaching, and so this is a collaborative learning environment. I enjoy creating a space where stories can be shared and wisdom can be gleaned and ideas can percolate and we can all learn together. One of the things I love is that it's interactive and somewhat playful. We're not just talking about ideas, but we're experimenting with them. There's this element of interaction and play and experimentation.
Working as an Anabaptist Learning Workshop instructor, I really enjoy meeting new people and participants of the workshop, and also seeing how the participants are empowered and are determined and committed to live out what they have learned and trying to seek differences and changes in their community. As a group, we discern what it means to follow Jesus in a particular context and situation and encourage one another to live out our calling as God's people.
The Anabaptist Learning Workshop offers workshops throughout Eastern Canada, including one-day and half-day events. We can customize a workshop in your local community based on your learning goals.
You need to come to an ALW workshop.
It's a very relaxed, fun, and learning experience.
These are really accessible workshops and a really fun way to learn.
And most of all, is learning together as a community.
The Anabaptist Learning Workshop is a place for exploration, a place for discussion, a place for innovation and wonder. Join us. Let's learn together.